southeast and southeastern Minnesota until 6 p.m.
Thunderstorm warning for
5:33 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Frontenac, 13 miles southeast of Red Wing, moving at 25 miles per hour.
was located
Expected hazards include quarter south southeast of Red Wing, moving east at 25 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This is a radar indicated threat. Around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lock and Dam 4.
6 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lock and Dam 4, Pioneer Campground, Dumfries, Oak Center, Maple Springs, Gilbert Valley, and Kruger Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Waukesha, Minnesota.
160.4.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KJ1.